Now, authorities retrieved his body after he drowned inside his submerged car on Friday morning. The flood has prompted authorities to order more than 2,000 residents to evacuate the area. Now, furthermore, water levels are the upper Nepean River were tipped to exceed last month's flood peak, while the Wakisbury at North Richmond was expected to reach 10.5 meters.
And according to the Meteorology Bureau, the rate of rainfall will decline starting Friday. Nonetheless, state emergency services have conducted 38 flood rescues in the past 24 hours alone and received 1,299 calls for assistance. Not only that, 3 evacuation centers were opened in Western Sydney.